I think as far as snoring goes and how do you stop, it depends on how bad the problem is. A simple thing that you could try to do is get off of your back. Another simple thing that you could try to do is breathe through your nose. That could be easier said than done, depending on what the condition of your nose is. And then a final thing that you might want to do to stop snoring or minimize it if you are snoring often is don't have that drink or two before you go to bed at night. That'll guarantee you to snore badly, as if you're, have a drink or two, just relaxes the tissue back there to, make things happen.